Probando, probando, allá que vamos!
So we are about to set off from Kathmandu on the first stage of our journey back to Europe.
Hi, I'm Hannah and this is Juana.
Hola, we met in New Zealand 1 year ago. Since then, we are sailing and cycling together. Come and join us! Yes, and this time is going to be very special because we are going to do 10,000 kilometers, solidary kilometers.
Yeah.
And we are very excited.
We are hoping to raise €10,000 by cycling 10,000 kilometres in support of PSA, an NGO here in Nepal.
Yeah, and last week has been a bit intense, trying to figure everything out, trying to prepare our webpage and all of the stuff for the fundraising campaign and figuring out a route and visas and stuff, because it's all a bit last minute and it wasn't planned. But it's very exciting!
Yeah, this time we are going to cycle for a very good cause.
So starting pretty much now, we're going to be setting off from Kathmandu and cycling through the western part of Nepal into India and Pakistan, where we'll join the Karakoram Highway. That'll take us into China and then on into Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan along the Pamir Highway, and then Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, and eventually through Europe to our final destination of Spain.
Yeah, so the first stage now is to leave Nepal. We have to leave in 4 or 5 days' time. Our visa will expire, so we're going to cycle now from Kathmandu to Lumbini, which is the birthplace of Buddha, and then from there we will exit back into India. So we've got about 300 kilometres to go, so it's going to be, what, 4 days more or less?
Yeah.
And yeah, let's see what happens. So we've bought a selfie stick, and we think it's really difficult to use because it's really heavy and it's really difficult holding on to the handlebar when you're cycling with just one hand, whilst your other hand is reaching out to the side and making everything unbalanced, and then you hit a pothole and then you're fucked.
If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe below.
We are in Lumbini village where Buddha was born.
And behind us is the Maya Devi temple.
Then we are going to see many temples. All Buddhist countries, no? Oh yeah, there are many temples inside there.
India, from
We
India.
go India. Yes.
You ask to you Indian police.
Okay.
We ask Indian police.
Okay. Hello. Namaste.
नमस्ते कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप लोग नेपाल के आप लोग हैं
It's okay?
आप आयरलैंड के
Airline ticket? No.
पासपोर्ट आपका
Passport? We go to Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान
Yeah, because we cycling.
आप कहाँ के होम कंट्री
Home country is Spain, see UK.
ड्रेसिंग कहाँ
Cycling. We cycling, you see. This is India.
बोलिए
This is Nepal.
गाड़ी आगे ले आइए
And this is Indonesia. You see, we come from Burma, More India, and then Nepal, and now we come again to India.
ठीक है हम अब तो हमारे पास आए तो हम उनको बता देंगे
Huh?
No allowed. No
No
allowed.
allowed.
India no allowed.
We are not going to India
Why?
why is allowed no.
Why not?
Spain citizen is allowed not allowed
But yeah, but me I cannot from Spain. I come from Nepal now.
from Nepal
Nepal.
I cannot go Nepal.
We have no visa.
No visa for Nepal.
Finished today.
India no allowed. This
Yeah, but I have
country
to speak
Kathmandu, you can return.
Bhairava
border.
borders Bhairava borders
So we've been to the border to cross over into India, which is very close to Lumbini here. What was the name of the border?
I don't remember now.
Okay, anyway, they wouldn't let us cross. First of all, they said that Juana couldn't cross because she is Spanish, and because of coronavirus, Spanish are not currently allowed into India. And then after some time, they said that we just couldn't cross because it's not a border for foreigners. So we've been told to go to Sunauli, which is another border. We've got to cycle now 35 kilometres. And it's pretty hot. I don't know if we're going to make it there today in time to cross, which means that our visas for Nepal will run out. And so we'll be in trouble tomorrow, but let's see what happens.
here day of arrival
Your body temperature is 36.7 degree centigrade.
Okay,
You are not infected from any viral disease.
Okay, look.
In case any viral disease, you will get your body temperature will raise.
Okay, thank you.
Wow.
This is a screening method
I'm
for a
recording, it's okay?
coronavirus. Okay, allow.
take this किसका है
It's okay?
okay done it
Okay, thank you very much.
thank you happy journey
Now we are here in immigration. We are ready for 2 hours. We are Spanish, aquí la amiga española. And we are not allowed to come inside here. So,
Because of the coronavirus.
for the coronavirus. And they test with this thing with the machine. And we don't have the coronavirus, but we are from Spain. But we are from Spain. Hola. So we are in the bus. We couldn't make it yesterday, last night to pass the border because
For India.
For India, yeah. Spanish were not allowed. So, and today no one is allowed, no? The border are closed
Yeah,
for
it's
everyone.
closed, and the Nepali border is closed, so we came back because if we had waited to try and force our way in by some stroke of luck and failed, then we would have been stuck somewhere in between Nepal and India. So we are back in Nepal.
And
We have no visa.
Yeah, we have to go by bus and be in Pokhara as soon as possible to get the visa, the stamp.
Yeah. So this is the bus. Going to be an interesting trip and potentially uncomfortable 8 hours.
Like we go cycling, we don't have time to arrive on time. To do the
But
stamp.
this is really frustrating because now this complicates everything because we have our visas supposedly for Pakistan to enter by land. India is now closed for 30 days, which means that we will not be able to cycle through India probably. And we have to make Pakistan by a certain time to get through to the Pamirs in time as well. So
it's going to be a little bit complicated, but we will make it. Let's see how. Okay.
So we are legally allowed to stay in Nepal. We've got a 30-day extension. It was a bit stressful because we queried the fact that we were charged a late fee for our visas because we were sent back from the Indian border and then the office was shut. But they just wanted us to pay. And when we queried it, they then told us that we couldn't have a visa at all. So that was a bit stressful, but it's okay now.
It's okay.
So we're just going to hang out here for a bit and see what happens. We're keeping an eye on the news and keeping an eye on flight prices in case we need to quickly get back to Europe somehow for whatever reason. I'm hoping that things will pass in a few weeks.
Yeah, we hope everything be okay and go back to the normality everywhere.
Yeah.
So we cross fingers.
Yeah, and that people keep safe. And here, there's only been one case so far of coronavirus, and the person who had it has recovered. So as far as we know, Nepal is free of the virus.
Animo for everyone who has to stay at home and
Yeah.
have all this problem now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, at the moment we're free to move around, to do things. We can cycle or walk, go into the mountains. Of course, that could change. So let's see.
yeah, let's see what we are doing. So if you like this video, like us and subscribe.
Yeah, and thank you for watching. And
Yeah.
see you in the next episode, wherever that may be.
Yeah. See you.
Bye.
Hasta pronto.